Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to add location in Google Maps. If a place is missing from Google Maps, you can add it yourself in just a few steps, and here's how to do it using an Android phone. First thing first, start by launching the Google Maps app on your Android device. Use the search bar to type in the address of the location you want to add. Just a quick tip, you can also long press directly on the map to drop a pin. This works for the same way and saves you time. Now after the location loads, scroll a little and tap on the option Add a Missing Place. This opens the form where you'll enter the details. Now fill in the key information such as name of the place, address and category like a restaurant, store or school, etc. You can add optional details too, but those three are most important. Now once everything looks correct, just tap submit and Google will review the information, and if it's approved, the location will appear on Google Maps for everyone. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.